So you are getting limited views and you're wondering how to get more views on new videos. Well, this video I teach you a simple strategy that will get you more views. That's always the first one, which is keyword research, which is basically finding the right videos for your target audience. The key of doing keyword research is to find videos that have high search volume and less competition. After you find your video, you need to make the thumbnail and title. If you make a bad thumbnail and title, then you get little bit of views. Even worse, none. So the key of making your thumbnails and title is to make them work together to win the click. A very common mistake that YouTubers make is putting the name, the title, and the thumbnail. That's taking up real estate on the thumbnail. The second biggest common mistake is putting too much text on your thumbnail. Less is more. And sometimes you don't need text. For example, I made a video about adding thumbnails to videos on laptop. So I added a YouTube logo and a laptop logo. And I only added 2 words. Add thumbnails. Next is keeping your viewers on your videos as long as possible. You can do this on your video by hooking the viewers in the first 30 seconds, but I would do it quicker, or like to 5 or 10 seconds for best results. Hooking your viewer in as quickly as possible is critical to getting the viewer to watch the rest of your video. And you can make a video script to make your videos more concise so it'll be easier and faster to edit. And while you're editing your videos, you can go to some B-roll. If you want to know what B-roll is, it's video footage that goes over your main video. Now the next step is to get viewers to a next video. You can use this by using endscreens. An endscreen is a video that pops up at the end of your video. Now here's a powerful tip to increase views on multiple videos. Is to set up your videos for a playlist, but I want to try that many YouTubers following when putting endscreens on the videos, which is putting unrelated videos or playlist. What you need to do is put a related playlist to a video. Well, if you don't know how to put an endscreen on your video, then you're missing out on a lot of views. So connect this video on the screen now to know how to put an endscreen on your video. If you already know how, click this video on the screen below it. That will teach you more about endscreens. I'll see you in one of the videos.